Picture this. You are at a networking event, virtual or in person, and every conversation feels like a missed opportunity. Sound familiar? What if you could change that by setting clear goals and mastering the art of follow-up, making every interaction count? Today, we will break down the strategies that transform casual encounters into meaningful, career-boosting connections. In this video, we will be covering effective strategies for both in-person and virtual networking and how to maintain meaningful connections after the event. We will also talk about setting clear goals, understanding what you do, who you serve, and how to follow up in a way that strengthens your network. By the end of this video, you'll be able to apply collaboration and leadership skills in a business context. Let's start with setting goals. Before any networking event, whether it's in person or virtual, it is crucial to ask yourself, what do I want to accomplish here? Are you looking to meet potential clients, find collaborators, or simply learn from industry experts? Setting clear goals helps you stay focused and make your time at the event more productive. Write these goals down beforehand and keep them top of mind as you navigate the event. Be clear on what you do, who you serve, and how you serve them. Once your goals are set, it's time to get clear on what you do, who you serve, and how you serve them. This clarity is essential because it helps you communicate your value in a way that is both concise and relevant to the people you meet. Think of it like this. What do you do? What is your role or business? Who you serve? Who are your typical clients or target audience? And how you serve them is what value do you bring and how do you solve their problems? Here's a tip. Always ask the other person what they do first. When you know their role, you can customize your introduction to make it more relevant to them. For example, if I meet an attorney at a networking event, instead of giving a general pitch, I would say, when law firms struggle with delegation and case ownership between attorneys and paralegals? I design workshops to help teams resolve those issues and work more efficiently together. This makes the conversation more engaging and relatable to their work. Networking virtually. For virtual networking, many of the same principles apply, but with a stronger focus on preparation. Before the event, take time to review the attendee list and be strategic about who you want to connect with. When people introduce themselves during the session, pay close attention. If someone piques your interest, send them a private message commenting on what they said and invite them to connect after the event. For example, you might say, I enjoyed your thoughts on leadership challenges. Let's connect afterward to chat more. This approach helps you stand out in a virtual setting and foster more meaningful connections. Being proactive and thoughtful in your interactions is key to successful virtual networking. Maintaining connections after the event. Now, the real magic of networking happens after the event. Maintaining connections is where long-term relationships are built. After meeting someone, follow up with a personalized message either via LinkedIn or email. Reference something specific from your conversation, like, it was great hearing about your approach to leadership challenges at your company. I'd love to stay in touch and explore potential collaborations. Once you've connected, don't let the relationship go cold. Interact with their posts, comment on their updates, and check in periodically to see how they're doing. Networking isn't a one-time event. It's about nurturing relationships over time. Get clear on the introductions you're looking for. Another important point is being clear about what kind of introductions you're looking for. When someone asks, how can I help? You should have a ready answer. Whether you're looking for new clients, collaborators, or industry leaders to connect with, knowing this helps guide your conversations. Also, have a short, memorable story ready to share about a recent case or client. People love stories far more than job titles or business cards. Think about what's on your desk right now and how you're solving a particular challenge. For example, I am currently working with the client to restructure their leadership team. And it's been amazing to see how communication improvements are driving real change. This type of story sticks with people and makes you memorable. One last tip. Avoid giving out business cards too soon. If you hand someone a card before building a genuine connection, it can feel transactional and even off-putting. Focus on a conversation first. Once you've built the rapport, exchanging contact information will feel more natural. In conclusion, successful networking, whether in person or virtual, starts with clear goals and a thoughtful approach. Be intentional about what you do, who you serve, and how you communicate it. Follow up with personalized messages. Maintain long-term connections and be ready with a memorable story about your work. And remember, networking is about building relationships, not just handing out business cards. Now, I have a question for you.